August 4, 2025, pumanaw ang batikang South Korean actor na si Song Yong-kyu, na mas kilala sa kanyang papel sa blockbuster action movie na Extreme Job. Siya ay 55 years old. Nagsimula siya sa teatro noong 90s, pero mas nakilala sa mga hit project gaya ng Extreme Job at Netflix series na Narco Saints. Madalas siyang gumanap bilang supporting actor. He was respected for his powerful performances. Pero noong July 2025, his career took a sharp turn. Nahuli siyang nagmamaneho ng lasing sa Yongin or driving under the influence. His blood alcohol level was above the legal limit. His license was revoked at kinasuhan siya. Dahil dito, natanggal siya sa 2 Korean dramas at sa isang stage play. The online backlash was intense. Isang linggo matapos ang insidente, August 4, 2025, natagpuan siyang unresponsive sa loob ng kanyang kotse sa Yongin. Ayon sa pulisya, walang nakitang foul play at wala ring iniwang sulat o suicide note. Ang biglang pagpanaw ni Song Yong-kyu ay gumulat sa kanyang mga tagahanga, pati na sa mga kasamahan niya sa industriya. His story is a reminder of both the fragility of public life and the need for compassion. He may be gone too soon, but his performances continue to live on. He is survived by his wife and 2 children.